SendGrid email marketing tool full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. You can find all relevant product links in the description below. SendGrid is a robust email marketing tool, mainly designed for businesses needing reliable email delivery and marketing automation. It's a strong contender in the market, providing powerful features for both developers and marketers. One of its standout features is its highly scalable API, which makes it an excellent choice for businesses that need to send transactional emails or integrate email services into their existing applications. Whether you're sending order confirmations, password resets, or marketing newsletters, SendGrid's API ensures reliability and ease of use. For marketers, SendGrid offers a comprehensive set of tools, including a drag-and-drop email editor, advanced segmentation, and marketing automation features. You can easily design responsive emails without any coding knowledge, thanks to its user-friendly interface. Additionally, SendGrid's segmentation capabilities allow you to create targeted campaigns based on customer behavior, engagement, and demographics, which can significantly improve conversion rates. The platform also provides detailed analytics that track essential metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and bounce rates, giving marketers actionable insights to refine their campaigns. Another key advantage is SendGrid's email deliverability. The platform is known for its strong deliverability rates, ensuring your emails are less likely to land in the spam folder. However, there are a few weaknesses to consider. SendGrid's pricing structure can be confusing, especially for smaller businesses, as the pay-as-you-go model or tiered pricing can become expensive as your email volume grows. Additionally, while the platform offers a wealth of features, some users have reported that the interface can be overwhelming for beginners, especially with its more technical functionalities. Overall, SendGrid is an excellent tool for both developers and marketers who need reliable, scalable email services with powerful analytics and automation features. Its strengths lie in its robust API, email deliverability, and segmentation options, though it may be better suited for businesses with some experience in email marketing.